This video is meant to familiarize the rider with the location of information and components on a ProStar S4 Indy Adventure snowmobile. Starting at the front of the vehicle, you will see the front bumper, 2 side panels, and the near-field communication chip embedded in the Polaris emblem, which connects you to a digital platform of vehicle information and tools. Remove the left side panel to access the oil reservoir, spare belt holder, driven clutch spreader tool, drive clutch assembly, the fuse panel, and the toolkit, which contains a T30 Torx wrench and a spark plug wrench. Behind the right side panel, you'll find the exhaust silencer and brake disc. Under the hood, you'll find the fuse panel, coolant overflow bottle, and engine block heater. On the underside of the hood, you'll find the headlight adjustment. The front suspension contains the shock assembly with preload adjustment and compression adjustment, A-arms, tie rods, sway bar links, ball joints, spindles, ski rubbers, skis, skags underneath the skis, and the Northwoods trails. Once on the seat, you'll see mirrors on both sides of the sled, the 7S display, a storage compartment behind the display, USB plug inside the storage compartment, the Big and Little Dipper, and the group ride antenna. The left handlebar contains the brake lever, parking brake, brake reservoir, back button, navigation buttons, select button, headlight dimmer switch, heated grips control button, and the electronic reverse control. The right handlebar contains the engine run-stop switch and throttle lever. The handlebars can be adjusted by loosening the 4 fasteners in the center. Below the handlebars are the intake screens, safety tether, key switch, fuel cap, and the gear shifter. Behind the driver's seat, you'll find the removable storage bag, removable passenger seat with a heated grip switch, 12-volt DC plug, and heated seat switch if equipped, and the battery charging port. Underneath the seat, you'll find the battery and the evolution of Polaris Snowmobiles. Move to the rear suspension to find the front limiter straps, rail slide, front track shock with preload adjustment and compression adjustment, rear track shock and compression adjustment, front and rear grease zerks, torsion spring adjustment, scissor stops, rear idler wheels, and rear idler adjustment. The VIN label is located on the right side of the snowmobile above the running board. The VIN is also stamped in the same location. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.